In today's video, we are going to be discussing speculative mining, or spec mining. Spec mining is the process of mining a cryptocurrency in the hopes that it will increase in value in the future. Please do not take anything in this video to be financial advice. This is what I'm doing, what I choose to do for my mining. It may not work for you. So please do your own research before engaging in any spec mining or any cryptocurrency mining or investing. I hope you enjoy the video. Hey everyone, TPS Miner here. Welcome back to the TPS Miner channel. Today I just want to do a quick video on a new coin that I've been mining on my test bench called AION. And I'll talk a little bit about the coin, a little bit about something unexpected I found, and give you some references of places you can go do a little bit more research on AION on your own. So let's hop over to the computer and take a look. Okay, here we are on the computer. The first tab I have pulled up here in my browser is a video. It's a YouTube video that SerpentX put out, SerpentX Tech. This was a live stream he had done with Yashnik and Joseph, CryptoZ, CryptoMichael, where they were talking about AION and the community bounty program that AION had going on. This was from back in September of 2021. And they really get in and talk about AION, the project, what it is, and it really piqued my interest. So I'm always looking to do spec mining. I have a 1050 Ti 4 gig card that I like to do some spec mining with. And I thought, what a great opportunity to support a project that the community members are talking about. So I hopped over to What to Mine, and I was taking a look. I had been mining RavenCoin, excuse me, and I was getting about 39 cents per day mining RavenCoin. So not too bad, nothing great. And I see AION, maybe 28 cents per day after electricity. And I thought, this is a project that I'm going to hop on, start mining, and do a little bit more research, dig in a little bit, and see what I can learn about AION. So my research led me to the AION pool is the pool that I chose to mine on. I did download the AION wallet, the official desktop wallet for Windows. So you just hit the download and run the install and get that wallet set up so you can get your address. As far as the miner goes, I'm using Gminer. Version 274, and there is a batch file already set up for AION, so you just go in there, paste in your wallet address, start up the miner, and off you go. So the reason I thought this was very interesting and very unexpected, I'll go ahead and open the miner up. You can see in my test bench I actually have two GPUs. I have a 1030, a GT 1030 that I use for video, and then my 1050 Ti I use for my spec mining. And when I set up the batch file, I forgot to set up the argument to specify the device to only use my 1050 Ti. And lo and behold, my 1030 started mining. So this has been up and running since about 11 p.m. last night. You can see it is 3:34 p.m. on December 24th, 2021. So this has been running for about 15 hours now. And again, I was shocked, completely unexpected to have my 1030 2 gigabyte card start mining AION. So pretty cool. So it's obviously not doing a whole lot of work here. 355 shares over, let's see, the miner uptime is, I apologize, my throat is a little scratchy. Looks like I did have a restart 2 hours and 50 minutes ago. But again, about 14 hours, I've picked up a decent number of shares. These things are chugging right along. So let's hop over to the pool home. And you can see here, my hash rate I'm getting with both the 1030 and the 1050 Ti, about 105 solutions per second. I've got a paid out balance already of 2 shares. With a half, 0.55 shares pending. The current price of AION right now, as of making this video, I believe is around 15 cents. Here we go. So AION is at 15 cents, so it's down a little bit for the day. But, you know, again, maybe a little bit less than what I was making on RavenCoin. But again, while I do some research on this project, and you know, the fact that I did see some promotion from within the community, I wanted to jump on this. I wanted to share this with everyone. And again, if you've got a 1030 2 gig card laying around, throw it on AION. You know, you've got nothing to lose. So let me hop over here to what to mine. So I'm getting 21 solutions per second at 24 watts. So let's throw that in. Let's go down to AION. Click on this. And we said 21 solutions per second at 24 watts in the software. My electricity cost is 11 cents. Let's calculate that. So I'm making 12 cents a day, 6 cents in electricity, so I'm pulling in a profit of 6 cents a day. You know what? That card wasn't making 6 cents a day yesterday, so I'm going to keep this thing running. I'm going to keep doing my research. If you are mining AION, please let me know in the comments how it's been working out for you. I do see there's an exchange on Binance, so this is not an issue of not having liquidity. This is something you would be able to sell. There are staking options for AION. Again, so much that I need to research on this project. So again, if you have any information, you're a big fan of AION, please leave me some comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like and a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll likely do a follow-up on AION as I learn more about it. All right, again, I'll drop the link to SerpentX's the AION Community-Driven Bounty Program video in the description below. And thanks for taking the time to watch this video. For those of you that do celebrate, please have a very Merry Christmas, and enjoy the time with your family. Have a Happy New Year, and we'll talk again soon.